Hey guys, welcome back to Till Vacuum Do Us Part. On this particular day, I needed to get some cleaning done and I also needed to film for you guys, but I was not in the mood for cleaning. So on those days, I like to change it up, and instead of cleaning room by room, I went by category. So I'm going to show you the 3 categories that I clean in, and I swear it felt so much easier and faster. So if you're ever just in a slump, find a different way to clean and it definitely helps you out. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go into each bedroom and make the bed and tidy up those spaces. And then even if you just get through category 1, you at least have everything in your house picked up, versus if I were just to clean my entire bedroom and bathroom and then get tired, then only that room got clean. So sometimes working by categories kind of makes it seem easier and it's less daunting, and I even finish so much faster than I normally do. So it definitely made a huge difference. So like I said, I'm going to go room to room, I'm going to make the beds, and then anything that is not in its home, I'm going to put it there.
I know that we can go higher if we keep our faith, if we keep our faith. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing. Sometimes I'm like a whisper in a riot, but I grow stronger, keep believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. Say you're believing in me. You're believing in me. You're believing in all these empty faces talking about problems, I don't care. I can't wait till sundown cause my body's aching. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Everybody's carefree, everybody's carefree. Don't you wanna party? Standing in the crowd feeling heartbeat. Don't you wanna party? Don't you wanna party? Staying out all night, feeling like we're young, acting like tomorrow will never come, counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just wanna dance, I just wanna dance, 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 dance. Lately I've been feeling every day's the same. So I'm just gonna close my eyes and pretend that I'm not here.
Now I'm going to move on to category number 2, which is wipe everything down and clean the bathrooms. And since I'm already in the kitchen, I'm going to go ahead and just wipe down the sink since I finished tidying everything up in here. But it just it's a smooth transition into it. And I feel like you get some momentum building just picking things up and seeing you're getting stuff done. And then you can head a little bit into the deeper clean. So now I'm going to clean out the sink and then go through each room and bathroom and wipe things down as needed.
Counting every moment till the weekend comes. I just
Anytime you see me using a cleaning cloth, those are my e-cloth rags and you only need water to clean with them. I will have my link down below in my description box for that. And when I head into the bathroom, all my products are from the Dollar Tree. I love that. I like to keep products underneath each bathroom sink so I'm not hauling them around. So if you have any questions about that, they are all from the Dollar Tree.
Sometimes it burns, sometimes it hurts when you say my name, but thinking of hers, I don't wanna know, don't want you to go and leave me behind. No, I don't wanna see if it isn't me who's on your mind. Halfway from home, I picked up my phone. I stared at your face, but it's not your tone. Saying, oh, hello, who are you to call me late in the night? She says, I just called to say that it's here with me and not where he might be. 'Cause I don't know what you're looking for. Oh, and I don't know what to do. Hold back, let go. There is nothing more for me to show. You're hiding to breathe, running from me. Do you really wanna be? Oh, baby, tell me you need me, that you can stand
was caught by surprise. Don't know why it took so long to realize. It's a fine line between giving up and to let go. Just let go. No more words, I just let it show. Just spent the time and place. Oh, baby, I'll do what it takes to testify. I'll bring you all the proof that you can't deny. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. You're the only one, so no wonder why. If I can't have you, I just wanna die. So take me to court and I'll testify that I love you, baby. Oh, you know that I love you, baby. So take your time. I know it's been hard hill to climb, but I'll be there when it's time.
Now I'm heading on to the third and final step, which is vacuum and mop my floors. To vacuum, I have the Dyson Animal and I love it. It's a game changer. I used to have a Shark and it worked really well, but it was so heavy and bulky. I can just take this off the wall, vacuum an area and hang it back up, and I can vacuum my entire house on max on one charge, and I wanted to show you guys that. So you guys see me, you know, I'm not going from cleaning a room to cleaning a bathroom. Like, I take my vacuum off the wall and literally vacuum my entire house, and you guys can see that, and it doesn't die at all. And then I'm going to mop my floors, and I'm going to mop with my e-cloth mop, and it's just like my cleaning rags. It only requires water, and I know that's like shocking. You guys have a hard time understanding that, but I promise your floors are never sticky and they're never streaky, and it works so well, and it's lightweight. So definitely click on my e-cloth link down below if you want to check that out.
Stepping out, it's Friday night. How I'm longing for this day. Yes, I'm single, oh, we want to mingle, and my friends are on the way. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, whoa. I got that good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, whoa. And time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. Oh, that smile makes me tripping out. I wanna dance with you tonight. Yeah, you close to me, feeling good. I believe I gotta have you in my life. You got that good, good vibe. I want to spend some time back here with you. Oh, I got this good old times. You want to spend some time back here with me. Oh, and time after time, I am wondering who is she to me. I'm gonna tell you right now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey, the one that I can live without. She's the one I'm thinking of. Hey, the only one I'm thinking of. Hey, she's everything I'm dreaming of. Hey,
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's cleaning video. It was a little bit different than what I normally film, but I thought I'd change it up for you guys. Also, if you're not following me on Instagram, I would really love for you to head over there and follow me on that social media account. And if you're not subscribed here, please consider doing so. I would love to have you. I hope you guys have a wonderful week, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.